Bisa dimulai udah dari pas.
Langsung ya rasa assalamualaikum.
Ya, assalamualaikum sih. Tak hitung ya.
Iya.
1,
Oke.
2, 3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
If we are all here, let's get started. First of all, I would like you to join me in welcoming Dela Fitriana, our company manager.
Thank you for accepting me. I look forward to meeting today.
I also want to introduce Nabian Hafid Muadis, who recently joined our team.
Thank you. I also want to introduce my assistant, Diva Muhanis.
Hi everyone, thank you for inviting me to this meeting. I'm Diva Muhanis, Abdian Hafiz Muhanis assistant.
Welcome Diva Muhanis. I'm afraid our national sales director, Rifat Elanggan Suara, can be with us today. He in China now, growing our sales force.
Let's start today's meeting discuss about project management. First, let's look at the report from the last meeting held on January 19. That's right. Fadli, the episode for you.
Thank you. Let me discuss the main point for point the list meeting. We start the meeting with a plan and agreed on the recruit budget with base discussion on 9 January. After briefing, revising the change that will occur. We work on the
Okay, I will start the meeting. Good evening to all meeting participants. As the person in charge of this meeting, I would like to thank all the participants for attending the meeting. At this meeting, we will all discuss about a new project, namely the construction of a team. Before we discuss about our project, I invite the project owner to give a speech first.
Okay, good evening. Thank you to all participants who can on time. Today, the meeting will be fully graded by our project manager.
Thank you for the kind words from our project owner. Next, I invite the head of administration to give a speech.
As the head of administration, would like to thank the guests to have accepted our invitation to attend the meeting this afternoon.
Thanks to the head of
Habis.
administration, we will now get to the point of today's meeting. Before we start, I will share the PPT. Okay. First thing first, regarding the project, technical data include building height, total, and specifications of each floor. The first is a building height of approximately 75 meters. From 75 meters, there are 12 floors, one basement, and one rooftop. Condition zone area with an area of 23,200 square meters, and the total zone area is 28,200 square meters. Then continued by my assistant.
Thanks to Abian. Regarding this development management plan, there are several things that we must discuss so that this project runs smoothly. One of which is the location of the project development. This project is located on Jalan Majapahit, East Semarang, close to shopping areas, bus terminals, and other public facilities. One of them regarding the design model structure and architecture that we are building, I invite the chief of administration to provide reports and advice to the construction of the building construction project, which will be started by planning.
Okay, there are two plans from the construction of this building. This time may be seen from the picture, planning stage and structural planning. For the planning stage itself, the first is general planning, there survey, investigation, and design, followed by land acquisition, construction, operation and maintenance, and post evaluation. Then continue by my assistant.
Thanks to Dimas. For structural planning, we use concrete as a construction. Concrete is characterized by the type of aggregate or cement used, by the special qualities it embodies, or my method use the produce it. In ordinary structural concrete, the character the concrete is largely determined by the water cement ratio. The lower of moisture content, all the same, the stronger the concrete, the mixture must have sufficient water to ensure that each particle of aggregate is completely surrounded by the cement paste, that the space between the aggregates are filled, and that the concrete is fluid enough to be poured and spread effectively. Another durability factor is the amount of cement is in relation to the aggregate, expressed as a ratio 3 parts, cement to fine aggregates and coarse aggregates. Where very strong concrete is required, there will be relatively less aggregate. And for a foundation, we use pile foundation. A pile foundation is defined as a series of columns constructed or inserted into the ground to transmit loads to a lower level of subsoil. A pile is a long cylinder made up of a strong material such as concrete. Piles are fused into the ground to act as a steady support for structures built on top of them.
Okay, thank you, planning consultant who has explained the plan for this project going forward. Then I want to hear about the problems that occur and the solution to the problem itself. Surveyors are welcome.
Thanks to Apian, who has given time, there are two obstacles faced. For the first factor, namely the weather factor. During project implementation, it will often rain. Puddles of water in the excavation, which will cause of decrease in work quality. The solution is pumping, suspension, for temporary and overtime hour. Then the second factor is the equipment factor. With the problem that we lack heavy equipment for our project and the delay in the supply of ready mixed concrete. The solution is to rent heavy equipment and look for concrete supply stock elsewhere.
Okay, thanks to our surveyor. I forgot something. How about our project development schedule?
I will explain. We will carry out building permit on October 20, 2021, followed by mention work on November 20, 2021. Express surface work on December 5, 2021. Capstone foundation work on December 15, 2021. Basement construction on January 28, 2022. Forecasting on February 15, 2022. After on August 14, 2022. Installation of clean water and electric on 2022 and rest finishing on September 10, 2022.
Thank you, Mrs. Della. I want to hear about the budget for this project. For the head of administration, please detail it.
Total cost of building construction is around 115 trillion, with still of the vehicle development fund of 112 trillion. Planning constant is of 15 billion rupiah. Cost to the constitutional consultant piece of 12 billion rupiah, and activity management cost of 1 billion rupiah. The funds that have been disbursed amounted to 1 billion rupiah of the total fund netted. Bardiano Yogi.
Thank you for my planning consultant. I'm quite clear in understanding the working drawing that you have made it. And I will provide direction, instruction, and explanation to the reconstruction contractor and examine the result that have been carried out and Also prepare, supervise, and report the result of project implementation to the owner project. After this, I will hold a meeting with the contractor project.
Carry out work under the field of accordance with the project rating award order. Consult the planning consultant and the budget and direction from surveyor consultant regarding the implementation of the work and report on project progress and author that show the quality of work the supervisor consultant.
Report every 1 week after. I go to the project manager to coordinate every work the support going. For building construction project this time.
I will be fully responsible and for the smoothing running of the work in the field coordination organization led and in the implementation of project engineering of that the work can be complete according to the plan drawing and program that are in the field and regarding the plan drawing, I will submit the project implementation so that they can implement the reality for the consequence of the breeding.
In carrying out the construction in the file, I will distribute and coordinate the duties of builder and worker, as well as maintain order in project implementation. Let several foremen according to their condition and supervise the implementation of works in the file.
Unfortunately, we are short on time. We'll have to leave that for another time.
Before we close, let me summarize the main point. 1. For building structure will reduce the strength of building so that the building is not durable. 2. Not only the structure of the building that needs be considered, but the sake of the mixture of cement and sand must also be considered careful. 3. We will start our project in March 2022.
Thank you very much, Diva. Rex, look, I like where covered the main item. Is there anything else?
Can we fix the next meeting?
Good idea, Abjan. What if the next meeting is held on January 28, 2022 at the 3 o'clock?
Yes, we all agree on the
Yes, we all
time
agree
of the
Okay,
next
on the
meeting.
date and time
of
of
the
the
next
next
meeting.
meeting.
Incredible. I went to the thank Diva for coming to our meeting today. Meeting closed.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mm.